Hey, Tom. Doing a big spring cleaning?
Way!
Well, that's a very special way to clean.
Yay!
Oh. Hey, Gary. Oh, you seem upset. You've seen something horrifying while you were working? The wind spread the trash all over the canal?
Ah.
In the streets, too? Well, do you think you can help our friend out, Tom?
Mabasa.
Great. Let's use your special object maker. Will you look at that? A super Hoover. Awesome. Let's go outside and see how this works. Let's try this super Hoover. Awesome. Look at that pile of garbage. It's disappearing for good.
What the?
Whoa. Once again, you overpassed yourself, Tom. What do you think, Gary? Gary, I think Tom would like to say something. Gary? Gary, you really should slow down, don't you? Well, I have to admit, this is very effective. Gary, this wasn't trash. Are you okay, Tom?
Blub blub.
Oh, Gary, you really should listen to Tom. Please stop the super Hoover. Guys! Come on, Gary. You have to stop the super Hoover. Careful, guys. Oh, boy. What a disaster. What should we do? Tom, can you find a solution to stop the super Hoover?
Hey, totals to.
Good. All right, let's see what you've got this time. Foam ball pistol.
Huh.
But what are you going to do with this new invention, Tom? I don't understand either, Gary.
What the?
Oh, now I get it. You want to block the hole of the vacuum hose thanks to the foam ball pistol. That is very smart, Tom. But you need to hurry. Okay, let's focus now. This super Hoover is running wild. Oh no, so close. Try again, but carefully this time. Bullseye! What a relief, right, Gary? Uh-oh. Carrie doesn't seem as glad as you are. What a mess in her candy shop.
Mabadada.
Is that your punishment for being greedy, Gary? At least you learned your lesson, right? Well, cheer up now. All's well that ends well. Hello there, Tom. Are you packing a picnic for the park? What a wonderful idea. Amber, is everything okay? Oh no, it looks like they might... They need help. Tom,
No.
is there anything you can do? Wow, a helicopter propeller. You really outdid yourself this time, Tom. Now hurry, you two. Walter, Ben, and Jerry need you. Look at this mess. It's a good thing you two got here so fast. Walter, Ben, Jerry, are you guys okay? Jerry's wheel is stuck. Tom, you have to help. Wow, Tom, your invention is amazing.
Hey.
You're a real hero. Well done, Tom. But it looks like your friends still need your help. Amber, don't you think you ought to let Tom work the propeller? Be careful. Good job, Amber. I bet Jerry will feel better in no time. Wait, that's the wrong direction. Oh no, Ben. That's not where you want to be at all. Amber, maybe you should let Tom control the propeller. The propeller is on the frets. Look out! Can you stop it, Tom? Are you sick, Amber? Do you have a cold? Do you need to get a checkup at the hospital too? Do you have springtime allergies? Oh no! All that sneezing caused the propeller to jam. How can we catch that propeller? Wow! You think you can catch the propeller with a net thrower? Close one.
Yay!
Yes! You got it! You mustn't be too angry, Tom. Remember, Amber was just trying to help. You always have just what everybody needs, don't you, Tom? Maybe you two better help Walter get to the hospital now. And Ben, too. Do you guys feel better? Thanks, Tom, for saving the day yet again. And you too, Amber, for all your help. Maybe next time you have allergies, though, you should lay off the hero work.